Curtain wall system options. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss the many options available for curtain wall systems, covering everything from entrances, corners, and splayed mullions to operable vents, leaning elevations, sun control devices, and design aesthetics. Some common options available with curtain walls would include entrances. There's a wide range of entrances available. This would include standard entrances, thermally broken, monumental, auto showroom, and auto sliders. There are a number of different options for corners on curtain wall elevations. Standard 90-degree and 135 inside and outside are very common. It's also easy to create custom corner conditions. Most corners offer the option of being either captured or SSG. To create curved or serpentine elevations, segmented or splayed mullions are readily available. Splayed mullions can be inside or outside. These can also be captured or SSG, and custom splays are readily available also. Natural ventilation is a big driver in sustainable design. Operable vents are easily integrated into curtain wall applications. These can be traditional framed units or concealed sightline units. They can be manually operated or have mechanical operators to open them. Some operators, such as you see here, comply with ADA requirements. Unlike storefront, curtain walls can be leaned either inward or outward. You don't want to try this with a storefront system, but curtain walls give you the option of changing the angle of the wall. Curtain wall offers a number of sun control options. Sunshades on the exterior block direct sunlight. Light shades on the interior can bounce daylight deeper into the interior of a building. Extended covers are another option that can be used for aesthetics or as part of a shading strategy. Horizontals and verticals can vary in sightline to emphasize bolder lines along an elevation. Captured curtain wall has covers on the exterior. The cover is a rain screen. They divert water away from critical seals. It's very easy to customize covers to give projects a unique look. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.